What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell for me so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please do yourself a favor. Don't get scammed, man. Don't fall for it. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks. When you open a new Webull brokerage account, put at least 1 penny in that account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks. So guys, if you're interested in that offer, there's a link down in the description box to open your new Webull account. Go ahead and do that today and go get that free stock and go get that free money. Last week, guys, in the stock market was very unsettling, right? We got some bad news from the Federal Reserve, and that really threw the market into a sell-off mode, right? If you can recall, last Wednesday, the Federal Reserve, the central bank, raised short-term interest rates by 75 basis points. But more importantly, they did lay the framework for more rate hikes this year and into 2023. And really, that's what made the market / investors a little bit panicky. And really, the market sold off because of that uncertainty, right? And really, when you think about the stock market and how it works, man, it works when there's certainty, when investors understand what exactly is going to be happening. That's when the market works at its best. The market does not work very well when there's uncertainty, right? When investors don't know exactly what is happening with the economy and how long it will take to get inflation down, that's uncertainty, man. And that's what happened last week. And that's why you saw the massive sell-off in the stock market. What's going to be happening this week, in my opinion, more of the same. You're going to continue to get sell-off. I think you'll get sell-off through the end of this week. But I also believe in the fourth quarter of this year, you will start seeing the market start to have a slight recovery or a bounce. And the reason I believe that is, history tells me in the fourth quarter of every year, investors are trying to shore up their profits for the year. They're trying to make their last-ditch effort to make money. And that's why I believe you will see a bounce at some point in the fourth quarter of 2022. I think it'll happen in October. I think we'll start seeing a little small bounce or recovery. Still a bear market, guys. We're not out of the woods yet. We're not going to be out of the woods and probably until 2025 when we see a stock market that is back in a beginning stages of a bull market. That won't happen until 2025. So I think 2023, 2024, you're going to see these ups and downs, these ebbs and flows in the market as the central bank, the Federal Reserve of the United States, continues to try and get inflation back down to its 2% mandate. Right now it's 8.3%. So you see, we got a lot of work to get inflation down. And the way they're going to get inflation down is they're going to keep increasing short-term interest rates until they see a sign that inflation is starting to consistently come down month over month. And right now they don't see that. So that's what's going on, man, with the market. Prepare yourself, right? For the rest of this week or the rest of September, you're going to see red. But again, man, red doesn't mean it's all bad. To me, red shows an opportunity for me to buy my favorite companies, buy my favorite ETFs, and buy my favorite cryptos while they're on sale. at a deep, deep discount, right? Companies for me like Tesla, Apple, Oracle, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Microsoft, Meta, all of these great companies, in my opinion, are on sale right now, tremendously on sale, right? So what you should be doing, in my opinion, is continuing to dollar cost average in and buying your favorite companies, not my favorite companies. You buy your favorite companies and your favorite ETFs. I'm just giving you an indication of what some of my favorite individual stocks are. Now, when we're talking about ETFs, of course, you guys know I'm a S&P 500 ETF guy. I'm a total stock market ETF guy. When we're talking about core sector ETFs, I like healthcare and I like tech. So those are my ETFs that I will purchase during this time of discounts on our favorite companies and our favorite ETF. This is a time of discounts, man. But you know something, and I smile and I joke a little bit, but this is where wealth is built, man. The wealthy, the rich, this is how they use the stock market to build wealth, guys. While we're out here being afraid and scared and not sure what's going on, guess what these guys are gonna be doing? They're gonna be gobbling up these discounts. I can promise you that. That's what they're gonna be doing. They're gonna be gobbling up these discounts. So we gotta stop being afraid, right? I'm not saying take your last dime, guys, and be investing in the stock market to build wealth. No, I'm saying invest what you can afford to invest, but do it consistently. Discipline yourself so you can do it consistently. And then over the next 2 to 3 years, if you do it consistently and your dollar cost averaging in, right? And in 5 years, in 10 years, you're gonna see a significant increase in your net worth. Now that's what I believe, guys. That's the methodology that I've used over the last 20 to 25 years to build my wealth. Pretty simple. The hard part is disciplining yourself. The hard part is tuning out all the noise when the 1% start manipulating the stock market to their advantage. You got to tune that out. 1% includes the media, because the media is one of the biggest ones, right? They're going to be telling you, oh, get your money out. It's crazy. It's going to even go down lower. No, right? If you want to build long-term wealth, dollar cost average in, man, right now. That's my opinion, right? And again, I'm not your financial advisor. You got to figure out what's right for you. If you want to listen to somebody or get someone's opinion, then it should be from somebody that's already done it and not just reading things in a book. I've already done what I'm asking you guys to consider. Again, you got to make your own decision on this. But I think if you want to build wealth and you want to buy assets that create passive income at some point in the future for you, then look no further than an opportunity right now in the stock market. One of the greatest wealth transfer times in history right now, man. So don't be afraid. Make sure you got your emergency fund put away, right? Make sure you don't have high interest rate credit card debt. As the Federal Reserve continues to raise short-term interest rates, guess what? That high interest rate debt you got, especially if it's credit card debt, which is variable interest rate debt, which means every time the Federal Reserve moves interest rates up, your credit card variable rate goes up as well. So especially if you got credit card debt, man, please pay that stuff off as fast as you can, or before you know it, man, every dime you pay on that credit card balance is going to be going to interest. So make sure emergency fund first, high interest rate credit card debt second, and then third is where you want to start investing for long-term wealth building. The key word is long-term, guys. This is not a short-term situation. You got to commit to long-term, doing this over the next 2 to 3 years, and then holding it for 5, 7, or 10 years. And that's where the net worth is going to come from. Well, guys, I'm getting myself prepared for a hurricane. Yep, I'm in Southwest Florida, man, here in the state of Florida, and it looks like we're in the cone of Hurricane Ian. Now, I don't think we're going to get a direct hit here in Fort Myers where I live, but 2 hours north of me in Tampa, Florida, they may get a direct hit. But we're going to get some of the outer bands, a lot of rain, some high wind. So I'm getting myself prepared today. And it's probably going to be coming through on Wednesday, man. So y'all keep me in your prayers. Keep the state of Florida in your prayers. Keep the rest of the country in your prayers if they're in the path of this Hurricane Ian. Won't mess around with these hurricanes, man. So that's where I'm at, man. So I'm gonna finish my walk, get myself back to the house, get these hurricane shutters up, and batten down the hatches and ride this thing out, man. Hey, if you guys want those 12 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box. Open up that Webull account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you on the next video. Peace.
Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.